Condenser unit making loud noises? That annoying racket usually means something's off and you gotta fix it before it turns into a bigger mess. First up, check if any bolts or screws are loose because those little guys can make a surprising amount of noise if they're rattling around. Next, take a look at the fan blades. If they're worn out or bent, they'll definitely cause some crazy sounds and slow down your unit's performance. Also, don't forget to inspect the motor bearings. If they're worn or damaged, they can create a grinding or squealing noise that's hard to ignore. Make sure you turn off the power before poking around inside the unit for safety, you know? If you spot any issues with the fan blades or bearings, it's usually best to replace them instead of trying to fix them halfway. Sometimes, cleaning the condenser coils can help too, because dirt can cause the unit to work harder and sound louder. And hey, regular maintenance every few months saves you from surprise noises and expensive repairs down the road. One of the biggest mistakes people make when their condenser unit is noisy is ignoring loose bolts. Those rattles only get worse and can damage other parts if left unchecked. Another common issue is not replacing worn fan blades, which messes with airflow and makes your AC less efficient. Lastly, folks often skip checking motor bearings until the noise becomes unbearable, but catching bearing problems early can save you from a full motor replacement. The fix for loose bolts is simple. Just grab a wrench and tighten them up. For fan blades, swapping out damaged ones keeps the unit running smooth and quiet. When it comes to motor bearings, sometimes cleaning and lubricating helps, but often you'll need a professional to replace them safely. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find reliable local contractors who actually know what they're doing. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to score new jobs, it's a solid way to connect with people who need your skills right now.